Ba bangwe ba badudi ba Eldorado Park ga ba tšeele go gakala ga leuba la COVID-19 tlhogong ge ba sa šetše melawana ya polokego go lesogana leo le nago le pelaelo. Jemiko Davids wa mengwaga e 13 o tshwenyegile ka baagišane ba gagwe.
The virus can catch anyone. COVID is real and those people is dying of it.
Jemiko o tseba botlhoko bja go latlhegelwa ke leloko. O lobile butu wa gagwe morago ga polao. Bjale ge dipalopalo tša COVID-19 di ya godimo ka Gauteng, Jemiko o tletše ka letšhogo.
I don't lose my friends.
You don't want to lose your friends?
Yes.
Ke twatši yeo e sa kgethollego. Kilometara go tloga fa, thaka tša Jemiko e šita le ba bagolo ba eme mothalading ka ntle ga tleliniki. Bontši ba emetše go dirwa diteko tša COVID-19.
Repeat and chronic, you can come through.
Ba go tshwana le Kelly van Wyk wa mengwaga e 20 ba be ba sa dumele gore twatši e gona.
At first I didn't believe in COVID because I thought it's a mindset thing, but then now with the rates of death going up every day, having funerals, until someone in my family, in my street, everyone affected by the COVID and just dying the next day, boom, dead. So that's what made me believe more in COVID.
Ifela ba bangwe ba sa ngangabetše.
My transport, people that I travel with tested positive.
Modudi yo re seo a se tletše go fa ke gore a fiwe lengwalo la ngaka gore a kgone go boela mošomong.
I don't believe it exists.
Why?
But the reason why I don't believe in it because the government is eating the money. They don't care about us. Everyone is only corruption. They get arrested, they get suspended, their salary stay the same. So why must I believe in those things?
You see, that statement is so dangerous because if you haven't been directly affected with a family member or relative that tested positive, you really don't know what you're speaking about. I mean, just the financial impact of having a relative or a family member that tested positive for COVID, it's so huge on the family as a whole.
Bontši bo sa le mo mahlokong.
COVID is real, people.
Beverly Groves o lobile mmagwe e šita le maloko a mangwe a lapa ka COVID-19 ka gare ga kgwedi tše tshela.
I don't know what are we going to do because I'm tired of losing family members, cousins, uncles, aunties. It's just not a nice thing. And my mom, most important, she was a healthy person, a strong person. I just can't believe that she's gone.
Ebile ga a sa tseba gore o lobile ba bakae.
I can't even recall, there's too many. And in last week, we got 3 messages, 3 different people, family members again, last week, in a space of a week.
Ba bangwe ba etapele ba lwantšhana le twatši ba le ka gae. Darlene James ke yo mongwe wa bona.
I've been coughing non-stop. I think the doctor diagnosed me with COVID pneumonia. I think I knew there was something wrong with me other than just a normal cold. Those body told.
Morwedi wa gagwe le yena o na le COVID-19.
My daughter, also being asthmatic, it was just God's grace that carried her through. She's a lot stronger. COVID is definitely rife. COVID is all over. I didn't think that I would get it. I think I'm the most because of the line of work that we do.
Tshepo ke gore go tlo kaonafala tšatši ka tšatši. Go ba etapele bao ba sa amegago mošomo ke o montši mebileng ya Elders.
Our challenge would be to change that mindset, to change the mindset in general, to say this is a pandemic, this is a sickness that can really have dire straits on our people's lives.
We have a big problem with the juniors. They still hang out in groups with oka pipes, they still hang out smoking together, smoking weed together, sharing guys together. We've tried our best, our utmost best, like I said, with SABC to address this problem.
Ge maphodisa le baetapele ba palelwa, Jemiko o tlo tšwela pele go goeletša mebileng ya Elders. E le ge a phatlalatša molaetša wa polokego. Ke Maage ke tla mohlabe wa ditaba tša SABC Eldorado Park.